Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Blackstone Breakfast Kit is probably one of the most versatile and convenient ways to elevate your outdoor cooking game, especially when it comes to whipping up a hearty breakfast feast for family and friends. Imagine flipping perfect pancakes, sizzling bacon, and scrambling eggs all on one spacious griddle surface, all while enjoying the fresh air and camaraderie of a backyard gathering or campsite adventure. This kit isn't just about cooking, it's about creating memorable moments and delicious meals with unparalleled ease and efficiency, making it a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast or aspiring griddle master looking to impress. Number 5. Blackstone 28-inch Silicone Griddle Mat. This custom-designed mat offers a perfect, snug fit for your 28-inch griddle, excluding the XL Pro series. It provides complete protection for your cooking surface throughout the year. Unlike other covers, this innovative design ensures every inch of your griddle is protected. Keep your cookware safe from pollen, leaves, and other debris. Crafted from 100% high-quality, food-grade silicone, this mat is thick, durable, and safe for all your cooking needs. It can withstand temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit without heating or transferring heat. Keep your grill's surface protected from rodents, insects, dust, and rust. This cover helps extend the life of your griddle by keeping it clean and tidy when not in use. Cleaning is a breeze with this mat, simply use soap and water or pop it in the dishwasher. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying delicious grilled food. What we like. This mat offers unparalleled protection for your griddle. Its custom fit ensures no gaps, keeping out all debris. If you want to keep your griddle pristine year-round with minimal effort, this is the cover for you. What people say. The Blackstone Breakfast Kit is a game-changer for outdoor cooking, allowing you to make perfect pancakes, eggs, and bacon right on your griddle. This kit includes all the essential tools you need, such as a spatula, egg rings, and a grease trap, making breakfast preparation a breeze. The non-stick surface of the griddle ensures easy flipping and cleaning, so you can spend more time enjoying your meal and less time scrubbing. Number 4. OUII 14-piece flat top griddle accessory set. Unlock your griddle's full potential with this premium 14-piece accessory set. It includes everything you need for an unforgettable cookout experience. Effortlessly handle any cooking task with 3 specialized spatulas. From flipping burgers to precise maneuvering, these tools offer ultimate control. Slice and dice ingredients with ease using the included chopper. The burger flipper ensures perfect, juicy burgers every time, while the silicone rings create flawless eggs and pancakes. Elevate your breakfast game with silicone egg rings and squeeze bottles for creative pancake art. These tools make creating delicious morning meals a breeze. Maintain a pristine cooking surface with the heavy-duty cleaning tools. A clean griddle is essential for preparing delicious food, from start to finish. Keep all your accessories organized and protected in the included carry bag. It's designed to fit everything, making storage and transport simple. Experience the joy of creating delicious food with this comprehensive set. It's the perfect starting point for all your griddle cooking adventures. What we like. This comprehensive set equips you for any griddle task. From flipping burgers to making pancake art, it has you covered. If you're looking for a complete toolkit to elevate your griddling experience, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The griddle is a great size for cooking breakfast for a family. It heats up quickly and evenly, making it easy to cook pancakes, eggs, and bacon. The accessories included in the kit are also very useful, such as the spatula, scraper, and oil bottle. Number 3. Blackstone 1543 Outdoor Griddle Breakfast Kit. Are you ready to elevate your outdoor breakfast game? This comprehensive kit provides all the essential tools to create the ultimate breakfast feast on your griddle. This set is designed to make breakfast preparation a breeze. It includes everything you need, from a convenient batter dispenser to perfectly shaped egg rings and a heavy-duty bacon press. Achieve flawless pancakes with our easy-to-use batter dispenser. Its generous capacity allows for efficient pouring, ensuring consistent thickness and shape for every pancake. Keep your eggs and pancakes perfectly round with the included non-stick steel rings. They ensure your breakfast items stay in place for a tidy and appealing presentation. Achieve perfectly cooked bacon with the cast iron press. Its even heat distribution ensures crispy results every time, and it's also great for pressing sandwiches and burgers. What we like. Master your breakfast with this specialized kit. It includes tools specifically designed for perfect pancakes and evenly cooked bacon. If you're a breakfast enthusiast who loves making pancakes and bacon, this set will help you achieve delicious results every time. What people say. The griddle is a great size for cooking breakfast for a family. It heats up quickly and evenly, making it easy to cook pancakes and eggs. The included spatula and scraper are high quality and make cleanup a breeze. Number 2. Blackstone 1543 Outdoor Griddle Breakfast Kit. Are you ready to become the ultimate breakfast master? This set of tools is designed for your outdoor griddle, helping you create the perfect breakfast meal every time. This comprehensive set includes everything you need to elevate your breakfast game. You'll find a batter dispenser, 2 egg rings, and a bacon press with a comfortable handle. Achieve flawless pancakes with the easy-to-use batter dispenser. Its trigger operation and 4-cup capacity allow for effortless and efficient pouring directly onto your griddle. Keep your eggs perfectly shaped and contained with these non-stick steel egg rings. They are also fantastic for making perfectly round pancakes. Please hand wash the egg rings. Cook your bacon quickly and evenly with a durable cast iron press. This versatile tool is also excellent for pressing paninis, sandwiches, and burger patties. Remember to hand wash the press. What we like. Become a breakfast pro with this curated set. It features a batter dispenser for flawless pancakes and a bacon press for crispy perfection. If you're aiming to impress with your breakfast creations and want specialized tools for pancakes and bacon, this kit is ideal. What people say. The griddle is a great size for cooking breakfast for a family. It heats up quickly and evenly, making it easy to cook pancakes, eggs, and bacon. The included spatula and scraper are high quality and make cleanup a breeze. Number 1. OUISROY Griddle Cleaning Kit. Introducing the AWEASROY Griddle Cleaning Kit, your ultimate solution for maintaining a pristine flat-top grill. This comprehensive set is designed for easy and effective cleaning. Regular use of this kit before and after cooking prevents damage and flaking, ensuring your griddle lasts for years. Proper reseasoning combined with our cleaning tools guarantees long-lasting performance. This kit includes a versatile scraper perfect for removing stuck-on bits and a heavy-duty barbecue scraper that can also be used for chopping. It's an essential tool for all your outdoor cooking needs. Clean your grill safely with our scouring pads and handles. They are easy to attach and use on both hot and cold surfaces, protecting you from burns. Our grill stones are made from natural pumice, effectively removing residue and stains without scratching your grill surfaces. They work wonders on various materials, including cast iron and stainless steel. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This griddle cleaning kit is the perfect addition to any backyard kitchen, complementing any barbecue or grill. What we like. Keep your griddle in top condition with this cleaning kit. It effectively removes tough residue without scratching your cooking surface. If you prioritize maintaining your griddle's longevity and want a deep, safe clean, this kit is a must-have. What people say. The griddle is a great size for cooking multiple items at once, and it heats up quickly and evenly. The accessories included are very useful, especially the spatula and scraper, which make cleaning up a breeze. It's perfect for making pancakes, eggs, and bacon for the whole family, and it's easy to transport for camping trips. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.